The very important thing that you buy a good backpack, and then you can build a lot of things on it. So for example, this is the flashlight, and you can just put it on the back or on the side, or even put it on the front, easily to grab, right? And this is the multi-tool, and you can put this one right on here, so easy to grab. This backpack is super light because it's smaller. You see that on the bottom, it's just right above my waist. I'm 5'7", so you can see that it's pretty small and pretty easy to grab, easy to carry. It won't bother you, almost feel like nothing. And the padding is super comfortable, no matter how heavy you want to put in that. It kind of like full webbing, just kind of on top of my neck and shoulder, I'd say. This is 511 Rush 2.0 tactical bag. This bag is 24 liters. The material is very good. This is 1050 nylon material. This tactical backpack featuring 16 individual inner and outer compartments. So let's open it. So this is all MOLLE. You can put a lot of stuff on the top. The zipper is very good. You see here on the front, there are 2 pockets. Another thing I need to say that this is water repellent, and it doesn't matter if some light rains is going on. And here are different pockets. You can put pens, a name card, or whatever stuff inside. And also the material is very thick as well. And this is another place that you can do the storage. And right here, you can put your clothes, whatever stuff inside. It's pretty roomy, and inside a big patch of Velcros. So if you attach something in here, it won't lose. Alright, and this is the top pocket. And on the side of the package, they're all MOLLEs. You can put a small pouch, like a medical pouch, whatever pouch on the side. Even the water bottle pouch, right? This is the main area. On the top, you can see through. Good material. It's pretty stiff. Right here, the same. This is a thick pad, and on the back, there's a hard board, so you can safely put your laptop inside here. And here is another pouch. Let me show you. Right here. You see that? Here, just right on the shoulder that you have another pouch, and it is soft lined, and you can put your glasses, sunglasses, whatever, snow glasses inside. Super convenient. And this is the handle. The handle is like super stitched and it won't break. The back is like a heavy padding, and you got rooms to breathe. You still can hook something on here if you need a belt. And even though on here, you can take that off as well. I like this backpack. It's 24 liters, just like a one-day pack. You can take this out for a 1 day or just daily commuting. You can put a lot of stuff inside. It's very low profile. And no matter you go for shooting, hunting, or you just go to work, this is still pretty good looking, good quality backpack. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.